What confuses you most about federal tax issues? I really want to know. Let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Alison. I'm a CPA in private tax practice with Top Dog Tax and Accounting. Welcome to my channel. I sure would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. That really helps push this content out to more people. Likes are also helpful, but the subscription that definitely helps. But today we're talking about what you really want to know. And you may notice I have comments turned on. Usually I have the comments disabled on the videos, primarily because I don't want the channel to blow up and have people start putting comments in there that's like misleading tax information. It really, because we all have our own situations and scenarios, and it's important that we get our information from authority. And what might work for me won't work for you, just like it with doctors, if you take a certain prescription medication and it does a wonderful thing for you, that doesn't mean that it's going to be great for somebody else because their situation's different. Same goes for tax issues. So that's why. But today I have the comments enabled because I want to hear what you've got to say. I've had a number of clients this past season ask me what they could read to know more and understand more about taxes. And I looked into it, and there's really nothing out there. There is, Tax for Dummies. I didn't really like it. I don't think it's not what I really think that you guys might need. So that's one of my big, hairy, audacious goals, BHAGs, for the year, is to possibly write that book and get that out to you guys. So I would love to know what kind of questions are things that confuse you. I asked a taxpayer this year for her estimated taxes. She owns a business. I asked her for her estimated tax payments, and she sent me her sales tax reports. And, that is tax payment, isn't it? Not what I was looking for, but it really kind of opened my eyes to, okay, I can see what you would think, because it is based on sales, right? And you are taxed on sales, but it's a different kind of tax. Sales tax and income tax are two different kinds. So that would be a topic that I would cover. State tax versus federal tax, what that is, what, FICA and Social Security tax are versus what the income tax are. Incremental rate versus effective rate versus, what these different things are. If you're my client, you get a little bit of an education every year in our appointment. You learn a little, hopefully a little more than you did last year. We talk about how things are different from the previous year, why, if you're married, whose withholding needs to change and why, and we go over the tax brackets and all these things. And but I would really love to hear from you. So if you would just share in the comments below something that might confuse you, and if it's embarrassing, just say, my cousin really thought this is the way things were, or whatever. You remember back when you were in high school and you would hear about people that had, the boyfriend in Canada or a girlfriend in Canada, and you're like, oh, I know what that means. Okay. It's okay. It doesn't have to be, a shameful thing that you have a question. But if you want to mask it in, my brother's uncle said, wait, your brother's uncle would be your uncle too. Never mind. You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm talking about. So I hope you guys have a great day. Please do subscribe to the channel. That also will tell me too whether it's even worth it to write the book, if anybody's going to be interested in it at all. Because I'm not really sure about that either, even though I've had some people ask about it. I'm not sure if people aren't watching the videos, if they're not subscribing to the channel, would they even be interested in reading a book about tax? Blech, who wants that? So just tell me with your vote. So I appreciate it so much, and have a great day.